welcome back for another episode on Spooling Up Performance. We are just cruising around on this awesome day. Just got done with the gym. This video is going to be more of like a vlog. God, I love this car. I just got done with the gym. I just went to the store, picked up some oil and a filter and a couple more car cleaning supplies, and we're going to change the oil today, clean up the car. Probably going to do my wife's car too. So get home, probably wait, go pick up my son from school, come back, change oil. I'm going to have him help me change oil today. He's almost 5. He knows what he's doing. He knows what he's doing. But yeah, I got a bunch of stuff in my seat right now. If anybody wants some really cheap wheel cleaner, I would recommend the McGuire's Hot Wheels. It's the pink bottle. It's super cheap, and that shit works so good. You literally just spray the shit on your wheels, and it's that stuff that changes color and eats and pulls away all the brake dust and dirt and grime. And if they're really, really dirty, do that. Let it start changing color and stuff, and then get a scrub brush in there and start scrubbing it. But if your wheels are normally upkept pretty well, and it's just got some built-up dust and stuff, and you want to just clean them easier, so you don't have to put as much elbow grease into it, spray that stuff on there and let it do its work. And then if you have, it works even better if you have a power washer, which I do. But I'll show you guys how it works. It's pretty awesome. It's gonna pull all those dirt and bullshit particles out of the wheel itself, and you'll see. I don't know, I'm not a scientist, so I just know it works. And then I just grabbed some regular old soap to put in the foam cannon. I'm waiting on new foam, like cannon soap from chemical guys. But yeah, I got the stuff I need to do. Hit that today. It's beautiful out. Plus it's a little windy, so it's gonna partially dry the car itself, so I don't have to do as much work. But yeah, today will be a different style video. Hope you guys like it. Let me know if you guys want to see more of this stuff. Pulling up to the house right now, so we'll get to it. I mean, I gotta do it. Sounds so good. My oil. I'm going to run the Mobile One 530 Premium. Or, sorry, Premium. I'm an idiot. Full synthetic. This stuff I was talking about. I'll show you how this works when we get to clean the car. I'm going to do the oil first and then clean the car. Got some more soap. I just use this for quick stuff if I'm out of soap, like out of my actual foam soap. And then some more tire shine. I use these because it's foam and it's like shaped as the tire, so it's really easy to put on. Not a lot of mess. And no spray. It's just built in. Thought it was pretty cool. This was $2, so can't go wrong. Let's get to it. Little trick I like to do is put a hockey puck on the jack so you don't ruin the underside of the car and crush the metal with metal. So yeah, try that. Let's get her up in the air. Alright. Get her up in the air. Let's get this off.
That's loose. Alright, let's get in the car and drain it. Other way. There you go. Oh yeah. Crank it back again.
This way?
Yep. Yep, down. Nice, dude. As soon as it splashes out, just let it go. You got it. Go ahead. Spin it off. Keep going. Keep going.
Is it coming?
It's coming. Keep going. Just let it fall right in the bucket.
No,
Almost there. It's almost there.
Now?
No, keep going. Keep going. Alright, it's almost there.
No.
Here, just pull. Here, keep going. There you go.
Is it coming out? Okay,
Do it until the bolt comes out, all the way. Pull it. Okay, keep going.
Now?
Uh-huh. Good job. Like this, watch. Like that.
Whoa.
See? Now I just pull it out.
Uh-huh.
Alright, so now you wait until it all drains out.
Okay. What if it leaks out?
It shouldn't. That's some dirty shit. See? And then you wait till it all drains out. And then you plug it back up when it's done. And then put the plug back in.
Okay.
Pretty dirty. It's got 2 hard track days and about probably 2,000 miles. Oh yeah. Oh, see? Still stock headers, cats. That X-Pipe though. Let's bring it down. Lift, jack it up. Can I help you? Both hands. Down. Push down. Okay, one more. And then the jack stand is just this little handle here.
Uh-huh.
Just lift it up and pull it out. Here, help me lower this side.
Uh-huh.
Twist it towards you. See it? It's going down. Okay.
Okay, now we do the
Other side. Go. Come on, a little bit more.
Can I come in? Do I have to do one more?
Alright, spin it towards you. Slow. Good. Nice, dude.
Boom!
Good oil change, bud. Alright, now I just gotta fill it up.
Yep.
The joys of having a kid, man, especially a boy. Get teach him stuff like this so he'll be handy in his life later on and know how to do his own shit. And not be another, you know, victim of a shop somewhere. So yeah, oil's fresh. Just cleared it on the dash. Good to go. I think next week I'm gonna order some of the AMSOIL gear oil for the rear end and then the trans fluid. I got a buddy that's an AMSOIL dealer, so get some of that, and then we'll change those out, make everything fresh, and then I got to upgrade the the brake fluid to, I think it's that ATE brake fluid. Upgrade that out of this, flush the entire system, and put that ATE stuff in there. It stays cooler, and it's just all around a better fluid. So get some of this maintenance stuff out of the way. Oil's fresh. good to go. The other stuff was pretty dirty, and I'm pretty sure the dealership that I bought it from put shitty oil in it. So put the good stuff back in and have her running good. Thanks for your help, dude. You ready to wash this thing?
Wash it?
Yeah. The answer is yes. Oh yeah. Yeah, she's pretty dirty. Ugh, all the bugs. Yeah. This is gonna get paint corrected soon, and you'll know why. Look at all the swirl marks. I hate that shit. This car was not really taken care of well by the last owner, but I'm gonna fix that. I have a new buffer on the way. I mean, look at how bad that is. You guys think people think my car looks clean now. It's gonna be a whole new beast. I mean, just look at how bad that is. All over the car. You think it looks clean, but really, I mean, to a person that's as anal as I am, it is not that good. Let's get to it. All the rubber coming off from the track. It's all built up in there. Alright, so this is that wheel cleaner. So coat the wheel, be back in a minute. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's sizzling. Oh, this is rough. It's so windy out. The foam cannon's like blowing all over the place, so I'm trying to make do. So I'm not going to video the rest of this because it's a pain in the ass and I'm going to have to hurry up and do it. Okay, so it's clean and dried off. Even though there's swirl marks and I am going to do a full paint correction on it, I don't dry my cars with towels. I blow them off with air. And if you don't have an air compressor and you want to do the same thing, you can use simple gardening tools like a leaf blower. I just use my leaf blower. I don't have a compressor in here yet. I use a leaf blower and blow off the entire car so that I don't use a towel. It takes a little bit longer, but you're not touching the car with another rag that can potentially have particles or dirt on it. But this wheel cleaner, all right, these wheels aren't perfect. Like I said, the owner didn't really take care of this car too well on the last thing. There's some, you know, minor nicks and stuff in this thing, and there's some stuff I got to get off from the wheels being bounced a couple different times. There's some like sticker stuff still left on there. But I want to talk about this wheel cleaner. It was I think $3, and with that and that little scrub brush, these turn out so freaking good. I mean, the bowls turned out good, and that's not dirt back there. That's like a serial number or something. But I mean, they turn out so good for just such minimal effort. Part of me wants to get these like all repowder coated just because I like perfection. But they look really good. They look a lot better than they did an hour ago. This is the first time I used that wheel cleaner. I usually just clean them with a mitt. But I mean, they turned out pretty good. Pretty good. Camaro. The Brembos even came out a lot cleaner. In the wheel wells, or the lug area. They turned out freaking awesome. Pretty stoked about that. The rest of the car is clean. I might even try to just leave it in the garage and wait for the polisher, because the polisher gets here tomorrow, the new one, and redo them. But I mean, wheels turned out awesome. Pretty happy with that. They look good. Dry them off. Everything else is dry. So this car's already got good reflection and some good depth, but yeah, I don't think you guys understand how much more depth and shine there's going to be when I'm done. I'm going to be doing this a lot more on other people's cars. You know, people want their race cars polished up, and even their show cars, whatever it be. Get them all ready for the summer. Yeah, they turn out awesome. So yeah, that's where we're at. I'm gonna clean up the inside a little bit, put some tire shine on, call it good. But yeah, hope you guys liked that video. Just a little vlog style of the day, just going around doing some stuff. Yeah, if you guys want to see more of this type of stuff, just day-to-day shenanigans, just rolling around, that'd be cool. I could do that. When the polisher gets here, I'm going to do some videos on paint correction. If anybody's interested in that, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell next to it and make sure you get notifications when I do post new videos. But other than that, that's it for today. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. We will see you later. Peace.